My name is Dr. Gerard from Mindray, handling ICU and our equipment training for the users and our suppliers. So today we'll go through the SV600, focusing on neonatal and pediatric functions, because this machine can be used in neonates, pediatric, and adult. So you can rotate the screen. This is a touch screen. It's gonna be, 15 inches. You can rotate it almost 360. And also tilt it. So this is the on-off button. Here we have two lights. The first one means the machine is connected to the AC power. The second one means the battery is charged. This is the control buttons. Use this to silence an alarm. When should we use pediatric circuit or adult circuit? Because you see, you can have a child, maybe who is 12 years old, but they look like adults. Now you're like, should I go into the pediatric mode? Should I use this one small one or the big ones? So it depends on the tidal volume you want to give to the patient. Yes. The age counts, but what counts the most is the tidal volume. If the tidal volume you want to give is more than 120 ml, you can use the adult ones. But if you see that the tidal volume you use is less than 120, use the pediatric ones. How to connect it? See, there's port here. So this one, this we face the top. Then you hear the click sound. It means it's well connected. And then we'll connect this one to the Y piece. And in case you don't know, just look at this picture. You see this picture and the machine is showing what to do. Like one, remove the Y piece from the leak test plug, remove it. They connect the neonatal flow sensor to the Y piece and vent it to the air, so you don't connect to anywhere. To the top like this. Then now continue. Just running it. Pass. So now everything passed. If the result is passed, that's great. If maybe one item failed but it's not the main one, the result will be partially passed in a yellow-orange color. You can still ventilate a patient. But if, let's suppose, maybe the leakage is huge, maybe this one was open, the machine would display failed, ventilation disabled.
My name is Dr. Nkengurutse, medical officer in the Pediatric Intensive Care Unit. Today we had a training with one of the technicians for Mindray. It was a very fruitful teaching session with the technician. In fact, we appreciate him giving us a foundation as to what ventilation in a patient is, and taking us through the different parts of the machine. My favorite part of the discussion is the fact that when you listen to him, you know he's well-read and well-researched, and he's been able to gather his facts right even before coming to us. And so it made the discussion seamless, and he was able and apt to answer all the questions that we had for him.
My name is Samuel Niyokwe. I'm a respiratory therapist at Korle-Bu Child Health Pediatric ICU. I'll say this training has been an insightful one, and we like the machine as well. It looks like we haven't used it yet, but off the top we can tell that it's an improvement from the one that we have already. So I think we are going to have a good time with it.